Hello everyone, from Mariana Artiguista. Today is the last day of the year and I want to finish it with a video tutorial for swirls. On a white background, I'm creating the background using platinum gel. I seal everything with matte top coat. Now using black gel paint, I'm starting to draw the fine lines. For fine lines is very important and also for any of your artwork to use gel paint without sticky layer. This way the product is thicker and lines will be thinner, product doesn't run. And definitely I'm using my favorite brush, Artiguista 9mm. I cure the final artwork for 60 seconds, but before that I'm adding acrylic powder to make the swirls matte. Hope you are enjoying this video and you'll press the heart button. Thank you everyone and Happy New Year!